What's up YouTube, it's your boy Justblaze back with a video, and today we have a restoration video on a pair of Aqua 8s that I have. This actually is my personal pair, or was my personal pair. These are, I'm gonna fix these up and I'm just gonna sell these for the low, probably, you know, some for the low, cause main issue is heel drag. Yeah. These are my work shoes. I wore these to work. I wore these pretty much every day. Every day I would wear these summertime, and I would wear these anywhere I went. I would hoop in these. They're just overall beat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean them. We're gonna hit this midsole with a repaint. Hit this, you know, suede with some spray. Clear that suede up, hit this new, but you know, darken this back up, and maybe, you know, get the creases out over here. We'll see if you want to do that, and we may go ahead and re-dye the lettering too. But let's go ahead and get into this restoration. Let's go. Now, before we get into this video, y'all, I need y'all to go ahead over to my IG and go to the green post. You already know what I'm talking. The green post. Go to the green post, everyone. Go to the green post, and y'all gonna go ahead, follow them steps, and enter into the Cash App giveaway. It's free money, so why wouldn't y'all enter in the? It's free. It's free. It's free money. Like, come on now, it's free money. Enter in the $100 Cash App giveaway, and if you haven't already, go join and be a channel membership, cause I got something. Channel memberships, giveaways. I'm doing giveaways all the time. Channel memberships. They're gonna get more Cash App giveaways, more sneaker giveaways, custom giveaways. Channel memberships. Go join that. There's a link below in the description. Go join the channel memberships. But go ahead and go to the channel. Go to the Cash App giveaway. $100. It's almost over, because look, I think my IG is almost at 900 followers. And YouTube, we're at 1.5, so 50 more subs and 100 more people. So y'all don't want to miss this, cause first $100 Cash App giveaway, free $100. Go do that. Let's get back into this restoration. Okay, now that we went ahead and cleaned the shoe. It's looking real nice and better. Looks better. We're gonna go ahead and start stripping the midsole, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna lay down some white paint first, and then we're gonna go blue and then purple. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do blue, the aqua color, and the purple color, and then Then we're gonna move to the suede and nubuck, and then that's gonna be the end of this video. So let's get back to the video.
Release the hell, release the hell, release the hell, release the hell.
Okay, so I went and I acetone the midsole, and I guess this paint isn't really like normal paint where it just like will come scrape right off. So this is what we got. We scraped a lot of it off, and some of it's like really light in spots. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and go over top with white first. I'm not gonna even do like more than one coat. I'm gonna probably do one or two, pretty much one light coats of white paint. And then actually I may do cream. I may do like one light coat of white paint and one light coat of cream paint. And then I'm gonna go in with the blue, the aqua color, and then the purple. So let's go ahead and do that. And if you haven't already, go over to my Instagram and follow my Instagram. Enter the giveaway. Free money. I don't know what else to say. And also like this video. But let's get back to the restoration.
Release the hell.
Alright, y'all, so we oh my gosh. So we went ahead and see that repaint? You see that repaint? That repaint is tough. That repaint goes crazy. Come on now. Come on. What that say? What they say? Sneaker customs. What is it right there? Restorations. Come on now. Restorations. Come on now. From this out the mud. Come on now. These joints clean. Now what I'm about to do is I'm about to lace these up, and I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna just up. You already know I put the Krylon finisher on there. I'm gonna put the finisher on before I take my pictures of this shoe. I'm waiting right now to see what I'm about to do with the suede. I may just go ahead and get some black paint and go along these letters and just darken them, just so you know they're back to black. You feel me? And then tomorrow I'll go ahead and spray the whole shoe down with some like suede renew. You feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and lace them up, and then I will come back. Alright, y'all. So, boom. This is the after of the Air Jordan 8 Aqua. And let me tell you, these joints is looking very, very, very clean. This is the before. Like, come on now. Come on now. Check out your boy. This is that. That was the after. This is the that was the before. This is the after. Look at the color match. Look at the color match. Do you see that detail? There's no mess ups, no nothing. You see that the color match is on point. Hold on. Let me go get my more regular pair, and I'm gonna show you. Alright, so this is my, regular pair that I wear now. And this is the pair we just worked on. Come on now. Only thing that I did differently is the glitter and sparkles that are on here. Those are silver, but on here, hold on. On here, I made the sparkles purple. That's all I did differently. So, but come on now. Like everything is great. Everything on here. Sheesh. Come on now. Like we got a whole bunch of aquas. But that's gonna be the end of this video. Like I said already, go into that Cash App giveaway. It's almost over. And you don't want to miss this one. First for real giveaway. You don't want to miss it. And also join that channel membership, because I got a giveaway in there too. But you gotta join the channel membership to unlock the stuff that the channel members get. So go join the channel memberships, and let's look at this shoe one more time. Even the new book, the letters are nice, are back in right again. Like, come on now. Come on now. I wish I could fix the bottoms, but we're not gonna look at the bottoms. All right. But hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm gone.